Classical music and spirituality are very deeply connected. Can anybody tell me why? I want this to be an interactive performance. I don't want this to be me singing and you hearing because I want you to take away something today. So, can someone tell me what you think is the connection between classical music and Indian spirituality? Anyone? You can just answer. Mike will follow. Anyone? Take a guess. Sorry? Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, so the thing is, Indian classical music, composed of the seven swars, right? Sare, Gama, Padhani, has come from the Samaved. Historically, the seven sounds of the seven swars have come from the Samved. And Samved is supposed to have come from the primordial sound of creation, which is Om. So there is a direct link to Indian spirituality in Indian classical music, which is why ragas, you know what ragas are? They are melodic structures within classical music. Ragas are very organic. You know, they've come from the sounds of animals, birds. They've come from the sounds of nature. So when you hear or sing or interact with Indian classical music, you're having a direct contact with God. And this is testament because there are at least 4 anecdotes quickly I can tell you of people who have been deeply moved by classical music without even knowing anything about it. One lady who was a chain smoker for 10 years quit smoking within 1 month of starting to hear classical music. She had no background of classical music. A domestic helper of a child attending a classical music concert just to take care of the child suddenly leaves the child to go and weep because something in some of the rags that she heard just moved her. A person who came in for a music class with a splitting headache within 1 hour went away symptom free. A person who left home with a severe panic attack because he was going to present to a very, very important person and he wanted the deal to be done, heard a Yaman, Rag Yaman, a film song in Rag Yaman on his way to work, and he was completely panic-free and stress-free, and the meeting went off very well. None of these people knew anything about classical music. They had no training, they had no exposure, but yet it moved them. So it's about time that we all hear, understand, even if not intellectually, at least open our ears and eyes and our minds to the possibility that classical music can move you spiritually. It can make you very centered. The rhythms of classical music can bring order into your life, and the emotional catharsis and connection that you find with ragas can allow your emotions to not rule you, just as is the case with spirituality. In spirituality, what is it? We don't want our emotions to rule us. We should be able to watch our emotions and yet be detached from them. And for that, emotional catharsis is so important. So ragas do that. So today we will start. The model I'm going to follow today is something which you will all hopefully relate to. I will do 4 or 5 ragas. We will start with a Bollywood song in that raga, which is an evergreen song, and follow that with a classical piece. So we will start with Rag Yaman. Rag Yaman has also some therapeutic properties. It's a general tonic. It's very good for health and it's a very joyous rag. So let's start with जब दीप जले यारा, जब शाम ढले यारा, जब दीप जले यारा, जब शाम ढले यारा, संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना. जब शाम ढले आना, रे गा मगरे सा सा नी पा पा मा रे गा सा नी सा ग पा मा पा मैं पलकन डगर बुहा पुकारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा मैं, पलकर डगर पुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा, मेरी प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मल आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना. We'll move to another film song in Rag Yaman, which is a very old piece and very, very classical bass. जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बेरी जा, जा रे जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे, पिया के संदेश हा ला रे ला रे ला रे, जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बेरी जा, पी की तरस को पी की तरस को जिया तरसाए, पी की तरस को जिया तरसाए, पी की खबरिया लारे लारे लारे, जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे जा रे जा रे बदरा बेरी जा रे जा रे, पिया की संदेशवा लारे लारे लारे, जा रे बदरा बेरी जा. बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं बल. बल बल जाऊं बल बल जाऊं, गरबा हरवा डारूं गरबा हरवा डारूं, बल बल जाऊं बल 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 जाऊं बल बल जाऊं, गरबा हरवा डारूं, मैं तोरी पियरवा मैं तोरी पियरवा, मैं तोरी पियरवा, जन्म जन्म की दासी, मैं तोरी So that was a snapshot of Rag Yaman for you. Of course, when we do a proper classical concert, we start with a Vilambit or a very slow number in Rag Yaman and then go to the Dhrut Bandish. But, this is an easy way to understand Rag Yaman. So now we'll move to a completely different Rag. This Rag, now what did Yaman make you feel? It must have made you feel pleasant, happy, joyful. It's a general tonic. Now we will move to a Rag which probably makes you feel other emotions, longing, pathos, sadness, some sense of despair, at the same time a sense of a pleasurable despair. So, human emotions are so nuanced, they're so, there's so many colors of gray, shades of gray. And Indian ragas, there are more than 600, 700 Indian ragas. Each of those ragas connect with those fine nuances of our emotions, allowing them to come out, allowing them to be expressed and, therefore releasing the unhealthy power they may have over us. So Rag Sohini is what I'm going to go to next. Now, we'll do Rag Sohini in its film form. I will start with a song from Suvarna Sundari, which is a very old Hindi movie sung by Lata ji. Now in classical, I'll do something known as a tarana in Rag Sohini. Those who want to clap along are welcome to do so. Beat is a part of music. That must have brought in a very different flavor from Yaman. Did that happen? A completely different, a pathos, a sadness, and yet some sort of longing and pleasure. So that was Rag Sohini for you. We will move to our next Rag. Now, Ken, tell, this is a small little quiz I will do with you. What is the Rag of rains? Malhar. Wonderful. So, Mia ki Malhar. Who is Mia? Has anybody heard Tansen? Okay, so Mia Tansen has made this rag, and there's a little anecdote about how this rag was composed by him. So apparently he was taking a stroll in the gardens, the palace gardens, and this was just before the monsoons were to come in. And there was the sound of this little bird. I'm going to move this to Mia Malhar so that it becomes more authentic. So he was taking a walk in the palace gardens, and this was just before the monsoons were to come. And he heard this little bird. And he said, wow, what a beautiful sound. And he heard more closely. He said, now I have to make a rag out of this. So let's break it down. What are the notes? Ni, 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 dha, ni, How can something which has come so organically not be therapeutic for you? It's like taking a walk on the lawns when it has just rained. So Malhar has that cathartic effect, it has a cooling effect, and it just melts you from inside. When there is an anticipation of rain and when it actually comes, what is that satisfaction that farmers feel, that villagers feel when finally rains come and their crops get their food? What is that satisfaction? That's what Malhar is. Now that satisfaction comes through in this rag through a wonderfully popular film song from the film Guddi. Bole re papi hara, bole re papi hara, bole re papi hara, bole re papi. Did you see that? Bole re papi hara, bole re papi hara. Bole re papi hara. Nit man tarse, nit man pyasa, nit man pyasa. एक बूंद सजावे पलकों पर, एक बूंद सजावे, बैठी हूँ सावन ले जाए, बैठी हूँ सावन ले जाए, जाए पी के देश में बरसे, जाए पी के देश में बरसे, नित मन तरसे, नित मन प्यासा, नित मन प्यासा, नित मन तरसे। बोले रे पपी हरा, बोले रे पपी हरा, पपी हरा, बोले रे पपी हरा। सावन जो संदेशा लाए, सावन जो संदेशा लाए, मेरी आँखों से मोती पाए, मेरी आँखों से मोती पाए, तार मिले बाबुल के घर से, तार मिले बाबुल के घर से, नित मन तरसे, नित मन प्यासा, नित मन तरसे। बोले रे पपी हरा, बोले रे पपी हरा, पपी हरा, बोले रे पपी, बोले रे पपी, बोले रे पपी हरा। Would you like to listen to a classical piece in this now? The same rag? बरसन लागे रे, बरसन लागे रे, बरसन, बरसन लागे रे, 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 बदरिया गन गोर, बदरिया गन गोर, पिया अभी नैना मोरे लागे रे, बरसन लागे रे, बरसन। It's describing the rain. बरसन लागे रे, बरसन लागे रे, बदरिया घन घोर, पिया भी नैना मोरे लागे रे, बरसन ला। Look at the connection between the rag and the emotion here. She's saying my eyes are watering, like how the monsoons fall when the monsoons come in, when the pregnant clouds come in, and clouds are in anticipation of the rain. My eyes water when I see you. Look at the amazing connection of the rag with the emotion. Lage re barasan, lage re barasan. Now the thunder and the lightning. उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे, 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 दामन दामन So that was the rag of rains and the rag also of tears of happiness when you see something that you have desired for long finally come into fruition. So now we move to the next rag, Rag Kalavati. Again, a very, very different mood that this rag creates. It's a rag that relieves tension and nervousness. There is a certain mix of pathos and beauty in it, and certain calmness also. So let's hear Rag Kalavati in its film form and then in its classical form. A very famous film song from the film Chitralekha. Kahe tarsai jiyara kahe tarsai jiyara kahe tarsai jiyara jiyara yovan ritu sajan jaate na aaye kahe a classical counterpart in this by the great Sri Prabha Atri, who has composed this beautiful piece. It's a priceless, immortal piece in Ektal. Tana mana dana to pevaru, tana mana dana to pevaru, tana mana dana to pevaru, tana. सावरी सूरत और नैनवा रसी तन सावरी सूरत सावरी सूरत सावरी सूरत मोहनी मूरत सावरी I want Shri Ashish ji to demonstrate a small. This is going to be just a small break from what we're doing now, just to change the mood. Simple teen tal. I would like you all to understand the rhythm and clap to it. So I'm going to do a small exercise with you. Okay, let's do teen tal. Okay. Now the hand movements are as follows. Can we all put our hands up together? Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. Clap, little finger, ring, finger, middle finger, clap. Little finger, ring, finger, middle finger, wave. Little finger, ring, finger, middle finger, clap. Little finger, ring, finger, middle finger, clap. I want to hear you all do it. Dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, kita, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, kita, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, kita, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, tin, tin, ta, kita, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, tin, tin, ta, kita, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, kita, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha. So this was nothing but just a basic framework of tal which we doubled and quadrupled, called Dugun and Chogun. Why is tal important in your opinion in any piece of music? Why is rhythm important? And what does it signify to our psychology, to our brains, to our minds? Order. And what is it that we are trying to fight every day? Chaos. Unpredictability. Things that we can't control. Nothing goes as per schedule. Nothing that we want happens exactly the way we want. But this, just understanding tal and understanding music in the context of tal, subliminally brings a sense of order, brings a sense of calm and peace. This is what tal does. Thank you. An applause to Ashish ji for demonstrating this. So we will do our last rag for the day, Rag Bhairavi. Again, it's a very serious rag and yet a very light rag. And this kind of nuance you can only find in human emotion, you know. You can feel serious and light at the same time only in human beings. It doesn't happen to anybody else. And this rag personifies both seriousness and lightness. That's why it's used in Thumris, but the seriousness of the rag is still evident in the Komal notes. I will just demonstrate this rag for you. कान्हा मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी में छोड़ो सारी कान्हा में तो से हारी में छोड़ो सारी कान्हा तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी कान्हा में तो से कान्हा में तो से हारी में छोड़ो सारी सुनो बिहारी नहीं तो मैं दूंगी गारी सुनो बिहारी नहीं तो मैं दूंगी गारी कान्हा तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी कान्हा में तो से हारी कान्हा कान्हा तो से हारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी कान्हा 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 मैं तो से हारी छोड़ सारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी निस दिन छेड़ करत नहीं जाने देत 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 पन घट आए हो देखे सब नारी पन घट आए हो देखे सब नारी छोड़ो जी पट घूंघट न उलटे छोड़ो जी पट घूंघट न उलटे बिंदा सुनो ना माने बिंदा सुनो ना माने बिंदा सुनो ना माने देखो गीत गारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी छोड़ो सारी कान्हा मैं तो से कान्हा मैं तो से हारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी कान्हा मैं तो से हारी मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेके बरसे हल्के हल्के ओ मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा तदारी दारी तुम तननननन दे रे ना तदारी दारी तुम तननननन दे रे ना तदारी दारी तुम तननननन दे रे ना तदारी दारी तुम क्या बात है तदारी दारी तुम तननननन दे रे ना तदारी दारी तुम तननननन दे रे ना तदारी दारी da da ri da ri